is up, everybody? Like, welcome back to Spidey Kena 101, and it is an extremely bad day out. It just rained terribly hard a couple minutes ago. I'm here with my dog. Shout out to Gage. He's eating grass. He loves grass. So, you know, guys, it's almost my Aunt Jamie's birthday. Like in one more day, and we're going somewhere very special that day. We're going to Darien Lake. Yeah, I'm just adventuring around. Let's see what we can find. We always look for a 4-leaf clover. It is August, I think, 18th. Okay, guys. This is where all the leaves are. Let's see. They're all 3-leaf clovers. This is almost like 1, 2, 3. No. Just need 4. Ooh, this is almost like it. This is really almost. That's like 5. Okay, we're not going to look for a 4-leaf clover. That is okay though. There's like snakes back here and weird bugs. Yeah. And my dog's still eating grass. Sorry guys. My dog's still eating grass. Yeah. Looking at my nose. Boogies. Boogies. No boogies. Okay. Oh, there's some more here. 4-leaf. Oh my gosh, they're all 3 and 5-leaf clovers. Geez. Oh, that's like a 6-leaf clover. Look at this one, guys. Sorry, guys. Oh, look at this one. This is like 6-leaf clover. See that? That's weird. It's starting to rain out, guys. I don't want to get so wet. Are you pooping? Guys, I think my dog's pooping. I hate to show you that. He just pooped. Did you puke? You puke? Ew!